Alright folks, I have got to work on this Challenger. Apparently another touch-up guy buffed this car out, and I don't know if you can see how blurry. It's hard to see, but the paint's real blurry. And he got compound all over everything. So I got to buff the car out again. Here we go. You might be to sit a little bit on this side. The lighting's terrible. This that's not the phone doing that, folks. That's the car. It's very blurry. So let me see what I can do to fix this thing. It's a 2010 SRT8 with a 6.1 Hemi, and it's got less than 30,000. I think it's got 29,900 miles. It's a 6-speed. It's a damn nice looking car, but I believe these were rated, could be wrong, I want to say 425, and 2010. You can get the scat packs, I think, of 475 that you buy now. So with a 6.4, so pretty good car, pretty cool car, a lot of car for the money. But the newer Challengers are faster, but still, this thing is a rocket ship at this price. At he wants $30,000 for it. And here's a look at the inside of it. It's very nice. You can see a few people have been driving it, and I'm getting ready. I'm not going to drive it, but I'm going to pull it around to my bay. But man, it's a nice car. It really is. Let's fire it up. It is a 6-speed. Got the 3 pedals. So it's got the push button start. Find where that's at. There you go. And got the old Mopar shifter in it. So I don't think that's factory. I think that was added on through the parts department. Let's fire it up. Yeah, 29,000. If you guys can see that, 29,938. Comes right to life. Oh wow, it's got an elapsed timer on it. You can do drag test on it. Cool. Nice car. All right, let me get it around my bay and get started on it. Okay, I got it. You can sit a little bit better now. Folks, if you don't know what you're doing, leave it to a professional. Don't attempt to buff, especially a black car. I mean, hit the whole, I ain't gonna say the whole car, but a damn big part of it. Got my work cut out for me here, but we gotta make this thing look nice. He wants to sell it this weekend. So, I don't know what the hell, but it really is. Seek professionals when you got stuff like this you're trying to fix. He's made this probably worse. A lot of labor going to be put in this paint to bring it back out. Well, I've done the fender, and I've done about a third of the door, and you can see how much better it looks. But because he had already wet sanded it once, I was cautious in how hard I was going to hit it, and I didn't hit it hard enough. I can still see his marks through my buffing right here, so I'm going to have to come back with a harder, more aggressive pad. That worries me. I don't know. That worries me. I hope I don't take his. I don't know how far he cut it. I really don't. I can't. I gotta be careful here. Alrighty. I don't know if the camera's gonna pick it up. So like I said, I buffed roughly halfway down to the door, and definitely looking better. It's got some swirl marks on it. I can clearly see the swirls. I haven't polished it yet, so it's gonna have swirl marks. I'm just a little worried. If you look really hard at certain angles, I can still see a small amount of his sanding marks. and I can't get any more aggressive than what I just did. I'm worried I'm going to pull the clear coat off, so I'm going to not swirl it just for right now. I'm going to continue to buff it out and see what happens. All right, folks, this side's done. I still got to clean it up. It's got a lot of buffing powder on it, but I have polished it, buffed it, polished it again, buffed it again, polished it again. Look at that, won't you? Look at that. Holy cow. Alrighty, folks, so we'll now road to the pasture side. Same kind of thing. Worries, sand scratches. I think it's probably worse than the driver's side. So, whew, let's get to work. Alright, I got the quarter panel looking nice. It's just sanded the door down. So I'm going to start buffing on it. And then we'll do the fender. Final wipe down, and she'll be done. Alright, folks, just got a little bit on the fender and the door. And we'll be done. Take a little break, rest my back. Alright, folks, she is done. I'll go around with a paintbrush, just touch up a couple of chips I've running across. But yeah, she's done. Wipe her down good. A nice little car for someone, it really would. Less than 30,000 miles. Put it in the garage, sit on it, drive it on weekends. Keep it limbered up. It's already got 12 years, so another 12 years, it'll start to probably appreciate a little bit. I don't think you can keep those mileage down. Okay, folks, this will be the end of the video, so I'll conclude it. Hope you enjoyed that. Hit that thumbs up, folks. This was a job. This is about the 10th black vehicle I've buffed for this guy. I'm going to have a talk to him and increase my prices. All right, y'all take care. Bob out.